Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another hair update. It has been 16 months, so a year and 4 months since I have done anything with my hair. So this is my current hair status. Growing it out after shaving my head 16 months ago. I haven't done any hair color, hair cuts, what else? I have used heat tools since my 1 year mark. So for the past 4 months, I have been using heat on my hair. But to be honest, I really haven't noticed it affecting the growth of my hair because my hair is still definitely growing. And I wanted to show you guys what my hair looks like right now, like before I style it or do anything with it. So we're in quarantine, as you guys know, as I'm sure you guys are too. So I'm not really going out a lot, so I really haven't been styling my hair. Or washing my hair, to be honest. So this is what my oily, dirty hair looks like, unstyled. My hair is definitely at that length where it likes to flip out on my shoulders, and it's just horrendous in my opinion. I can't stand it. I think it's so ugly. So that's why I like to have my hair straight and forward, so then it's all here rather than sitting on my shoulders, flipping out like this. It's just awkward looking. I know you guys wanted me to continue doing these hair update videos, but I don't really want to keep pulling out strands of hair. So I just have this tape measure now. My hair's long enough, so I feel like we could do this. So I usually measure the center of my hair. So let's see where we are currently at. So we'll just take hair from here. I'll put that there, and then we'll just pull this all the way down. Where are we at? Wait, that's all in my face. Hold on. Ugh, all in my face. Maybe we should just do from right here, the front of my hair. That might be easier. So let's start this here and go. Where are we at? We are almost at 9 inches. It looks like we are a little past 9.5 right now, right? Not 9.5, 8.5. We are almost at 9 inches though for our hair. What? That's pretty exciting. And because my hair is, different layers because I haven't done any haircuts. So that was the top layer of my hair. Let's measure this bottom part and see where it's at. So from the nape of my neck, are we in the same spot-ish? It looks like it, about 8.5-ish. That's what it's looking like, 8.5 inches.
I do want to point out that in my last hair update video, which was in January, my hair also measured at 8.5 inches. But as you can see from the before and after, my hair has definitely grown a bit. So I don't know how accurate this new tape measuring system method works. I think when I pull the strand, I get a more accurate representation. Plus, I'm actually measuring it from the root. So, I don't know. I just felt like I needed to point that out.
So that is where my hair is right now. I will go ahead and do a little speed through and show you guys me straightening my hair and what my hair looks like afterward. And that is what my hair looks like straightened. As you can see, so much better than my hair just flipping out to the sides. So when I straighten this part, it stays up here in the front or it's in the back. But as long as it's not flipping up off my shoulders and creating this weird U shape. So that is what my hair is looking like. Here's my bangs, which are so long. I have not gotten a haircut yet since shaving my head, but I am playing around with the idea of I'm thinking I might want to do a haircut soon. Let me know what you guys think. I for sure want to do bangs, which I could just do myself because growing up I've always just cut my own bangs. So maybe I'll do a video of me cutting my bangs, or maybe I'll do like a whole video of me going to the hairstylist for a haircut for like the first time in so long. My hairstylist Madison is actually at a new salon, so that might actually be a fun video to show you guys the new salon that she's working at. So maybe I'll do that. We shall see. I don't think I want to do any hair color. I've just been, like I've mentioned in my past hair videos, I've been really enjoying my natural hair color. I know that doing braided hairstyling like tutorials does make it a little more tricky to share like and show the dimension within my hair because it's so like dark, but I've been really liking it. It just looks and feels so healthy. But I could use a haircut. I'd like to even everything out. So I want this top layer to continue growing, and then I might just chop off everything like below it so it's all the same length so that I don't have any layers. Or maybe I'll do the total opposite and just do lots and lots of choppy layers, but then I won't be able to do as many braided hairstyles. So no layers equals more braids. Lots of layers equals not a lot of braids. But I for sure want to cut my bangs though, because this is just too long. And I always do a side part, so it just looks weird not having bangs and a side part, in my opinion. But if I do a center, let's see what that looks like. The center part just feels so bizarre on me, like kind of foreign. Yeah, I'm a side part kind of gal. But that is basically it for this hair update. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what specific things you'd like to see in my next hair update, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!